Hello everyone, welcome to Honeydew Mindset. Begin by taking a deep breath in. Settle into your breath and relax your entire body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Clear your mind, letting go of any lingering thoughts. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now imagine your mind as an empty cathedral, the embodiment of waiting. Inhale, exhale. 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 Now imagine the cathedral doors opening, the embodiment of welcoming. Inhale, exhale. 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 Feel your mind awakening with a refreshed sense of wonder. Inhale, exhale. View every thought as a gateway leading to many paths. Inhale, exhale. Approach every new thought with curiosity and wonder. Inhale, exhale. What opportunities await you? As you continue through this last round of breaths, Ponder how you can approach life with curiosity and excitement. Inhale, exhale. 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 As always, thank you for joining Honeydew Mindset today, and make sure to thank yourself for being intentional about rejuvenating your mind and body. If you liked this meditation, please click the like button to support my channel and subscribe if you want more similar content. As you go, go in peace.